Alright, just to show you real quick how to adjust this for more recirc or more outside noise. What you do is you turn this collar back here. See how that's turning? So counterclockwise all the way is shut. So it's recirculating 100%. As you turn this more clockwise, you'll vent to atmosphere out that port, and that's the sound you want. I'm going to play around with it. I'm probably not going to want to do 100% so that the car doesn't act up or nothing. But if you look here, I'll turn it. So it's at the counterclockwise position, so it's shut. As you turn this, you can see it open. So now, that's 100%. And then you come back and then you can start dialing it in. That's about 50%. I think I'm going to try about 50% first and see how the car acts and go from there. The center spring is the preload on it, and there's a procedure for doing that. I'm going to read up on it, figure how to do it, and then explain it in another video.